Welcome to Premier Fitness Systems remote coaching program. This is going to show you how to get into the application and where some common mistakes and mishaps happen. So click on the PFS app after downloading it from the store. You should have already received a login information. So again, I'm already logged in, but other than that, these are the two main screens that you're going to be seeing the most, right? So we've got our dashboard here, and then if I click the three menu button, 3 lines of the upper left corner, that's where I'm going to find all my plans. So when you've just received a email that says your workout plan has been assigned to you, you want to go and check out your plans here in the plans. So if I'm going to click on, let's say that my name is Alex. The next thing is the workout plan, and it gives you a little overview. So week 1, the drop-down menu shows day 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all the way to day 6. This is a 4-week program that Alex has, so that just gives you a little bit of info. If you click on that button, all that's going to do is give you just a little bit of an overview here. So once I click on it, I'll be able to view visually by seeing the video. After hitting play, I can visually see what I need to do. And then you're going to have your steps or your coaching cues below that. Okay? So what I want to do is in the upper right corner is hit the start button. And then it's going to prompt me, so what days of the week do you want to work out? Now, the default for Alex's program is that his is a 7-day program, so it's already showing that each day of the week. But look, I could uncheck these and be like, you know what, looks like I only want to work out on Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday so far, so I'll do 3 days. And then, again, if you just read the prompts, which one do you want to start with? Well, I'm going to start with week 1, day 1, okay? And I actually am going to choose my start date. I could put it as Monday if I wanted, right? But here it is. I'm going to choose my start date as today. Now, if I want to get email reminders, click the radio button over, and then you will get email reminders that today you have a scheduled workout to do. Okay? So then you want to hit start plan in the bottom. Okay, let's go ahead and try to do the workout now. Let's say, for instance, I'm ready to go. Okay, so now again, you can scroll down. This is everything that's on today's menu. Okay, so these notice the little left side, left lower corner of the video has the exclamation mark. That's going to say, hey man, you need to do these still. So if I click on it, again, I can view it by clicking the play button for the video. Okay. Watch what Parker's doing. Get out of this screen. But we've got, again, exercise notes. So this is where you're going to get all your written out cues on exactly what to do or what to focus on. I'm supposed to do 5 reps, and I've got 2 sets. 1 on the left, 1 on the right. Okay. Then once I'm done, I want to hit the next button. And then it shoots me over right to my very next exercise. So I'm going to watch the video, see what I need to do visually. Now this one in particular, Parker happens to be talking to the camera. So again, I've got volume here, right? So I can hear what he's saying. I got my earbuds on. Double check. Okay, 5 breaths. The longer the exhale, the better. Listen to the audio. Okay, great. I did that. So next. So again, if I just keep hitting the next button, it's going to take me through all the exercises I need to do. All the while, I'm going to be logging this workout. Now, that's important. So I'm going to scroll through, pretend like I've completed, right? So now on the left lower corner, you can see that all these videos have a green check mark. That means I've completed those exercises. Now I'm completely done with my workout. Gosh, I'm so exhausted. Can't wait to eat dinner. Okay, hit the log button. When you guys hit the log button, what happens now is that your trainer is going to get an email saying that you have completed your workout for today, and it allows me to view the workout on the end. So that's a great way to help me hold you accountable and also be available for questions. So speaking of questions, if I go back to my menu here, there's messages. This is where you can formulate a message towards your trainer in the upper right corner. Okay, and this is where you can view messages from me. However, I do tend to text my clients directly and or send you an email as well. Just depends. Okay. If you see here, you've got a calendar underneath your dashboard. All the ones that have the black dots basically are saying that I've got a workout. Or if I just want to view my calendar at a monthly glance, I can do that as well. And again, I can just kind of toggle to see, okay, well, what days do I have my workouts, and or I can just briefly look it over. Okay, so hopefully that little tutorial there helps you. If you have any questions, make sure that you reach out to one of us.